Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. All right, let's get started. We've got our zucchini squash here. And what a better time to get some local farm fresh zucchini than right now during the summer. So let's go ahead and get started with these. So we're gonna go ahead and by chopping off the tops and then flip it around, and we're gonna do the opposite end like so. Get those taken off, and we can discard those. But then we're gonna go in, and it's kind of like so. Just cut it in half so they get nice and they lay out nice and neat like so. So we'll go ahead and do the other one real quick. Okay, we have our zucchini halves here, and what we do is go ahead and sprinkle them generously with kosher salt. And I've got my sheet pan lined here with foil as well as some paper towel. After we get these seasoned, we just go ahead and flip them over. We're going to let them rest for about 15-20 minutes or so, and let the water seep out of there. Now the kosher salt will draw out the water that's inside there, so we can get a nice caramelization on the zucchini. So as we let them rest, that paper towel will absorb the water. Okay, they've been sitting for about 15 minutes. If you go ahead and flip them over, you can see a little difference there in the texture. I'm not sure if it shows up as well, but it's you can see how it's looks a little different there. I'm gonna just remove them here for a second, and you can see how our paper towel has gotten kind of wet. Well, not kind of, it is wet. And we go ahead and put these down again, but onto our foil, because we're going to be transferring it to our oven, which I've had preheated. But now we're going to score our zucchini, and you just go in diagonal across, and then switch it around and do the same thing the other way. But you can do like a crisscross pattern, however you want to do it. And they're ready to go under our broiler, which is, in my case, it's a little over 500, so it's going to be close to 525 under the broiler. But that'll get us a nice caramelization there on the outside, and it'll be nice and creamy on the inside. Okay, we're about 15 minutes into the process here, but we're going to go ahead with a basting brush and some extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to go across the top before we finish up. They're already getting a nice look on the exterior there, but this will top everything off. And I don't start it with olive oil on it for the simple fact I don't want to overload our vegetable with oil, but we just want enough to get some good coloring and added flavor in there, and we use a basting brush to make that happen, so we're not using excessive amount of fat here, but just enough for the perfect side dish here. let me go ahead and put it back in our broiler and we'll get it finished off here. Okay, we went ahead and pulled them from the broiler and we've gotten great caramelization, as you can see there, and that's what you're looking for. It's nice and hot too, by the way, but anyway, it looks pretty and we're ready to plate up here. Okay, so we're ready to plate our dish here, so let's go ahead and go in there like so with our zucchini. And I'm going to try to get it as nice and neat as I can, like so. Then we're going to go in with some salt flakes, sea salt flakes, like so. And I've got some raspberry balsamic vinegar, and we'll just go in like so. And there is our final dish: oven broiled zucchini with a dusting of sea salt flakes and raspberry balsamic vinegar. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching Paulie's Food Channel, and we'll see you next time.